How to identify the employer for unpaid wages. Imagine working hard every day and then finding out you might not be paid what you are owed. Figuring out who is responsible for your unpaid wages is a key step in getting your money back. The employer is usually the person or company that controls your work, pays your wages, and is legally responsible for following wage laws. To start, gather all your documents like pay stubs, employment contracts, emails, or texts about payment. These often show the employer's name and address. If these are missing, check product labels, mailing labels, or even look at vehicle license plates of supervisors who pay you. Sometimes multiple supervisors or managers are involved, so note each one's name and contact details. In some cases, especially with staffing agencies or subcontractors, it can be tricky to find the employer. You need to see who controls your work conditions, hires and fires, sets pay rates, and supervises your tasks. If you are unsure, collect evidence like timesheets, pay records, and any communication about your wages. When filing a wage claim or sending a demand letter, use this information to identify the responsible party. Remember, labor laws sometimes hold not just the company but also individual managers or supervisors liable if they violate wage laws. If you worked for a large company with multiple layers, check who directly hired you and issued your pay. In cases where the work arrangement is complex, like with joint employment or staffing agencies, look at who controls your work and makes employment decisions. The goal is to find the person or entity that has actual control over your employment and payment. This way, you can ensure the right party is held accountable for unpaid wages. Always gather all relevant documents and details before taking action. This helps in making a strong case to recover what you are owed and ensures compliance with minimum wage and overtime laws. Knowing exactly who the employer is makes a big difference in successfully recovering unpaid wages and protecting your rights.